How to use Google AL 14 ways it can make your life easier. Gemini can answer questions, provide information, generate content, and integrate with other Google apps and services. Here's how to take advantage of Google's AL. Table of contents. In the battle of all the chatbots, Google Gemini, formerly Bird, has been trying to compete with OpenAI, ChatGPT, and Microsoft Copilot. Through all three chatbots work similarly, Gemini offers some advantage of its own. With Gemini, you can speak your queries instead of typing them and hear the responses spoken aloud. Provide your location, and Gemini will direct you to nearby places and events. Ask Gemini to compose content, and it will provide several different drafts of the text. Known as Gemini 1.0 Pro, the free version is geared toward the basic tasks such as answering questions, summarizing text, translating languages, and generating simple code. The freebie can remember only a limited amount of information from previous chats but can interact with other Google apps and services. Gemini Advanced, the paid edition, is available only with a Google One AL subscription costing $20 a month. Equipped with more powerful capabilities, Gemini Advanced offers advanced code generation and debugging, higher quality language translations, and more creative types of content generation such as poems and scripts. This version also has a larger context window so it can remember more information from past chats and better understand complex conversations. And now a warning. Before you dive into Gemini, be sure to understand its faults and limitations. Like any of today's AL chatbots, Gemini is far from perfect. As Google points out, its responses may be inaccurate, reflect certain bases from its training, like how it generated historically inaccurate images, or make it seem as if the AL has personal opinions or feelings. It may even fail to respond or provide inappropriate answers. Also, be aware that Google has access to its user data, including your conversions, in order to evaluate and improve Gemini in support page. The company says that human reviewers will look at a random sampling of chats or portions of chats to assess their quality and determine if the responses are inaccurate, harmful, or of low quality. The chats reviewed are not associated with any specific user account but are retained up for up to 3 years. With Google review process in mind, avoid sharing any sensitive or confidential information as your chat with Gemini through your conversations may not end up being reviewed. Act as if the details you provide in your answers request will be seen by other people. How to access Google Gemini? To get started with the free version, browse to the Gemini website and log in with your Google account if you are not already signed in. To try the paid version, head to the Gemini Advanced sign up page, click try for 1 month at no charge, then the start trial button. You shall be asked to provide a payment method to kick in after the 30 days trial ends. You can pay for the Google One AL subscription through your Google account by credit or debit card, PayPal, or Cash App Pay. If you have a paid subscription, you can switch between Gemini Pro and Gemini Advanced by the clicking the name at the top of the screen. Switch between Gemini and Gemini Advanced. Once your account is set, the Gemini chat screen suggests a few questions you can ask. So, if you don't have any of your own yet, select one of the simple questions.